Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, yes, today is 21st of October and now the time is almost like 9:10 and the pre-open market will be closed now, I guess. So we'll see how the market is opening today. So let me just go to pre-open market. So yes, pre-open market is now closed and Nifty is opening at 11,958.55, that is at 0.52% up. So as you guys can see, advanced stocks are 42, declines are 1 and unchanged are 2. So this means right now the market will be in upper trend. We'll see when it opens. So the stock which are opening in the uptrend are BPCL with 4.99% up, Tata Steel with 1.08% up and Tata Steel with 0.99% up. So BPCL looks the most in a upper trend or a gap up today. And coming to the stocks which are opening in the gap down are Nestle India with only 0.08% down. Okay, that's the only stock which is having a very less movement of the downside. So guys, yes, this is how the pre-open market looks today. So in few minutes I'll be doing a live trade. Okay, so I'll be showing the live trade what I do today, so stay tuned for that. So guys, right now I've selected BPCL to trade. Okay, so I've not yet taken any entry yet. So once I take the entry, I'll be updating you guys. But the stock what I'll be trading today is on BPCL. So guys, I'm planning to take a short sell entry on BPCL around 353. Okay, so from now once it reaches to 353, I'll be taking a short sell entry and I'll be targeting like almost 0.5%. Okay, so 1 to 1.5 rupees is my target. So we'll see once it reaches 353, my short sell entry will be taken. So it's still around 354.756y. So we'll see. So guys, 353.80 as of now, 353.70. So yes, we'll see. Once it reaches 353, my short sale will be done. So yeah, so the reason why I selected this stock for short selling is that it has a very big gap up today, as you guys can see. So let me just put 15 minutes candle chart again. Yes, so here is the gap up opening, what you guys can see. So yesterday closing was somewhere around here, around 343.7 or somewhere, and today it opened at 360.50. okay, so today opening was 360.50, which is very huge. Okay, so yeah, 353.6. so my short sell is at 353, and if you guys can see, the market is continuing to go up, so almost 1% up as of now. If you guys can see here, 0.98% up. So even the market is also a gap up today. Okay, so yesterday closing was around 11,898 somewhere, and today the Nifty 50 opened at 11,958.55, which is more gap up. Okay, and it's a gap up and it is still continuing to go up right now, so we'll see how it will perform. So 353.50 still, so I'm waiting for my short sell to get activated, so we'll see when it will get activated. So guys, yes, almost 353 now. So yes, 353 has been touched now. So from here, my target will be like 0.5%. Okay, almost 1 to 1.5 rupees. Around 351 or 351.50 is where my exit is. So we'll see how it will perform now. So 353 is still 352.90, so it's still fluctuating there. So as you guys know, I'm opposite side of a market now. So if the market is in uptrend, I'm in a short sell trade. So yeah, it will take some time to hit my target, but according to the study, it's a short sell itself because it's a huge gap up in the stock. 352.60, yes, it is coming down a bit. It will take some time, so because it is going opposite side of a market. As you can see in the market depth also, like 16.5 lakh of buyer and 13.6 lakh of sellers. So there's a bit of a difference there, but yeah, sellers might come up. So guys, as you can see, yes, as we predicted, according to our study, the stock did fall down 351.25 now. The low made is 351.1. Yes, so guys, if you can see here, it is still continuing to fall down 350.70 as of now. 350.45. Yes, it is continuing to fall down, and if you guys can observe in the market depth, suddenly there's a 1 lakh difference between the sellers and buyers. Yes, so total number of buyers are now only 13.68 and sellers are 14.46. Okay, so yes, this is how it happened today. So yeah, if you know a right analysis of the market, you can make a good trade. And this is a Nifty 50 chart, so it's back to 0.93%. So it was 1% up, so not a much of a gap down on the Nifty 50 chart, but yes, a red color candle has been now formed. So market may turn bearish or bullish, so it's fine now anyway. We are done for the trade and we booked the profit. So you don't have to be greedy in intraday trading, guys. You should always be safe and book 0.5 or 0.3% or maximum of 1% target, depending on which side you are. Okay, so if the market is up and if you're in a buy side, then you can expect your more target. But you know, the market is up and now I'm in a short sell because I knew the stock will fall down a little bit, but I'm not sure till it will go like more percentage down or what. But the 0.5% or 1% can be easily achieved by this analysis what I have made, and I've already achieved it. Okay, so that's the reason why I took a short sell today. So guys, this was the profit what I was able to book today in today's trade of BPCL in a short sell. And yes, 350.95 and 85 is where the stock is still. So we started around 353 and the stock fell down and we booked the profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So you guys can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also you guys can go inside my feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what to get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, let me show you this client screenshot of profit what they have shared with me. So BPCL 1325 rupees profit, 4490 rupees profit, 1856 rupees profit, and 1903 rupees profit. So these are the profit what my clients were able to book today in today's trade of BPCL. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.